So this is a new craftsman screwdriver. It's electric, lithium ion. It's got a battery indicator. It's 4 volt, 180 RPM, made in China. Model is the cmcf604 type 1. It's got 48 inch-pounds of torque. Pretty bright light on it. USB, I think C. Anyways, what makes it unique is pull a trigger, and when you turn it, it turns with whatever direction you turn it. Now, same thing, vertical, upside down. It doesn't matter what angle you hold this thing. And you can go real slow. That's as fast as it goes. Comes with bits. You get 2 Torx, 3 Phillips, 2 flat, 2 square, and then an Allen. Lowe's, 30 bucks. They say it's on sale, but pretty good deal. I've already used it a couple times and it actually works really well. It's got a little lock here too, so you can put it in your pocket, not worry about it. The light's really bright. I actually lit up a whole room with it earlier. As you can see, I mean, it's got 2 LEDs on it. Yeah, there you go. So you can't do anything now until you let that switch fly. Anyways, I'm not a huge Chinese tool guy, but this is the one I had to get. Works pretty good.